Hi, my name is Robin Verstraal. I work as a systems and network engineer at a hosting company in Belgium, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this course, we'll learn to design, build, and deploy production-ready Kubernetes clusters. We will be using AWS as our public cloud provider, but a lot of concepts can be used with other providers as well. Kubernetes is a tool for deploying containerized applications into production. Many people describe Kubernetes as a container orchestrator, but it can do so much more than just orchestrating. Some of its key features are self-healing, where your application automatically restarts if unavailable, service discovery like layer 4 and layer 7 load balancing and DNS. Kubernetes can automatically scale your application. It offers rolling upgrades, where your applications receive a version upgrade without downtime. And it does cluster optimization, which makes better use of your resources and helps you reduce costs. I'm a very hands-on type of guy, so this course will offer a lot of demos, and I highly suggest you do them with me. This will make you better understand the topics and will make you better capable of setting up a Kubernetes cluster of your own. You don't need any kind of infrastructure, just a computer with Windows, macOS, or Linux, and an internet connection is sufficient. We'll start this course with a desktop version of Kubernetes called Minikube, and we'll expand to AWS in a later section. Since we'll be using AWS as our public cloud provider, we can reduce the costs of our demo environment to a bare minimum. I'll walk you through all the steps you need to take to get set up, and after this course you'll have enough knowledge to start experimenting on your own.